Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix taskbar doesn't load after starting in Windows 11. Press Ctrl Alt and Delete keys. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. Second method is press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete keys, click Task Manager. Click File, click Run New Task, type CMD, check this task will be created with administrative privileges. Type net space, user space, new username space, /add. Type net space, local group space, administrators space, new user space, /add. Type exit, exit from command prompt. Login with new user account. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.